What if the greatest wealth-building opportunity of your lifetime is happening right now? History shows that the biggest wealth transfers don't occur during normal times. They happen when technology changes civilization itself. The railroad revolution created industrial fortunes. The internet created a generation of billionaires. Smartphones transformed entire industries and minted thousands of millionaires. Today we're talking about from $0 to $1 million in the Musk era. We'll break down the exact blueprint, realistic timelines, and the biggest mistakes that prevent most people from taking advantage of these historic opportunities. Before we begin, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to Wealth Fanatics. Every generation gets a wealth window. The railroad revolution. When vision created fortunes in the 1800s, railroads transformed economies around the world. They connected cities, reduced transportation costs, and unlocked entirely new markets. Entrepreneurs who recognized the opportunity early built enormous fortunes, while many others failed to understand the scale of the change taking place. At the time, most people simply saw trains. Visionaries saw an economic revolution. The internet boom, the birth of digital billionaires. A century later, the internet created another wealth window. During the 1990s and early 2000s, companies that embraced digital technology changed how people communicated, shopped, worked, and consumed information. Many of today's largest companies were built during this period, including Amazon, Google, and PayPal. Countless millionaires and billionaires emerged from a trend that initially seemed uncertain and risky. Those who understood the long-term potential were rewarded enormously. The smartphone era. Trillions created from a device. Then came smartphones. What looked like a simple communication device became the foundation for entire industries. App developers, mobile advertisers, cloud computing providers, e-commerce platforms, and digital creators all benefited from a technological shift that generated trillions of dollars in value. The biggest winners weren't necessarily the people who bought smartphones. They were the people who built businesses around them. The AI and space revolution, today's opportunity today. We may be witnessing the beginning of another transformation. Artificial intelligence is changing how knowledge work is performed. Robotics is reshaping manufacturing. Space technology is creating entirely new economic frontiers. Energy systems are evolving. Automation is accelerating. Many of the companies driving these trends are connected to the same ecosystem of innovation that Elon Musk helped popularize. The wealth window may already be open. The challenge is recognizing it before everyone else does. The 4 wealth multipliers. Wealth multiplier 1. Skills create income. Every fortune starts with value creation. The more valuable your skills become, the more opportunities you gain access to. In previous generations, industrial skills created wealth. Today, skills involving artificial intelligence, software development, engineering, automation, digital marketing, content creation, and advanced problem-solving are becoming increasingly valuable. Elon Musk didn't start with billions. He developed rare skills that allowed him to solve important problems. Skills create income. Income creates opportunity. Opportunity creates wealth. Wealth multiplier 2. Ownership creates wealth. Income alone rarely creates extraordinary wealth. Ownership does. The world's wealthiest individuals own businesses, stocks, intellectual property, real estate, or other productive assets. Ownership allows you to benefit from growth long after the work is completed. Every time Tesla increased in value, shareholders benefited. Every time SpaceX expanded, owners gained wealth. The lesson is simple: workers earn income. Owners build wealth. Wealth multiplier 3. Leverage multiplies results. Leverage allows one person's effort to impact thousands or even millions of people. Technology creates leverage. Software creates leverage. Content creates leverage. Businesses create leverage. The internet allows a single creator to reach millions of viewers. A software product can serve customers worldwide. A company can generate revenue 24 hours a day. The greater the leverage, the greater the potential upside. Wealth multiplier 4. Compounding accelerates everything. Compounding is where wealth truly accelerates. Money invested generates returns. Those returns generate additional returns. Over time, growth becomes exponential. Many people underestimate compounding because its effects appear small in the beginning. But given enough time, compounding becomes one of the most powerful forces in finance. Elon Musk utilized all 4 wealth multiplier skills: ownership, leverage, and compounding. Together, they created extraordinary results. The Wealth Fanatics Millionaire Framework: increase your income, years 1-2. The first goal is increasing income aggressively. Most people focus exclusively on cutting expenses. While saving matters, income growth often creates much larger opportunities. Learn valuable skills. Study artificial intelligence. Understand emerging technologies. Develop expertise that employers and businesses are willing to pay for. Your greatest investment early on is yourself. The objective is simple: increase earning power. Turn income into ownership, years 2-5. Once income begins growing, the next step is turning earnings into ownership. Invest consistently every month. Build positions in broad market funds. Acquire exposure to innovative growth companies. Participate in long-term trends such as AI, automation, and advanced technology. The key is consistency. Small amounts invested regularly can become significant over time. Most people underestimate what 5 years of disciplined investing can accomplish. Build assets that generate income, years 5-10. As your financial foundation grows, focus on acquiring assets that generate income. This may involve building a business, creating digital products, purchasing cash flow producing investments, developing intellectual property, acquiring real estate, or building ownership in scalable ventures. The goal is to move beyond simply trading time for money. Assets should begin working on your behalf. Conclusion: no one knows exactly which companies will dominate or which technologies will win. But history suggests that those who learn valuable skills, build ownership, use leverage, and allow compounding to work over time often benefit the most. The Musk era may not simply be about Elon Musk. It may be about recognizing the opportunities created by the technologies shaping the future. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comments below. Before you go, leave a like and subscribe to Wealth Fanatics. Thanks for watching.